Good Thursday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Ted McInerney. A great start to March, very mild, well above average. 52 here in Portland. We'll get some sunshine. 46 up in Augusta, mid-50s southern Maine, the mountains a little bit cooler. Now, as we go hour by hour, we got that sunshine today. Then overnight, the clouds will increase from scattered showers and snow showers in the mountains possible. Here we are waking up at 8 o'clock in the morning on Friday. I do expect to see rain as you head down toward Massachusetts and New Hampshire and southern Maine. Scattered showers a possibility all day long across Maine. That big nor'easter, well south of us, but the bands and how big the storm is what's going to bring in the onshore flow. It brings in the wind, also the rain chances and snow and mixed chances in the interior. You can see that throughout the day. But the heaviest of rain will be south, Portland southward throughout the day. And then at the evening hours, we switch over to some wet snow for southern Maine and New Hampshire. But it's not just the snow and rain that we're dealing with. We'll be dealing with the winds as well. As we head into Saturday, still a bit breezy and cloudy in the morning. All right, so take a look at this. This is 4 o'clock Friday. This is when the storm is at its peak for us in southern Maine. Winds from the north gusting to 51 on New York Harbor. We're in the mid-40s across much of the coastal areas. A high wind watch in effect for southern Maine. You can see it's still going to be very breezy on the mid-coast and much of Maine's coastline and even interior portions, but it's really the southern Maine and southern New Hampshire coastline that'll be dealing with the very high winds. And because of that, the percentage of power outages does start to go up as we head into the daytime hours, the afternoon. For any area that you see in yellow, there's a potential of high winds that could knock out power outages. Now, also coastal flooding a concern. Not only the splashover from the onshore flow, but the timing not lining up well for Cumberland and York counties. Portland Harbor, the high tides are at astronomical highs. We're going to get up to about 11.2 at 11:07 a.m. So the 11 o'clock hour, midday Friday, will have flooding, and it will be seawater. So don't drive through it on Marginal Way and down on Commercial Street in Portland on the wharfs. Now, the other areas in southern Maine will be dealing with it again as we head into the evening hours and even Saturday morning. But our total weather alert for Friday is for that wind and coastal flooding, even a little bit of that precipitation, especially southern Maine. Things improved Saturday afternoon and into Sunday for the Oscars Sunday night right here on Channel 8. Monday and Tuesday looking dry. Another chance for snow coming up on Wednesday.